Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a public note to a support ticket on Freshdesk using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Freshdesk, and a support ticket that was created. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Let's now go to Freshdesk via Freshworks. Click on this, go to freshworks.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now go to account. Then go to the left-hand side navigation menu, where we can navigate to the tickets. We want to then go within a ticket. As you can see from the previous tutorial, we have added a private note. However, in this tutorial, we are looking to replicate that, but then make the note public. So everybody that has any correlation to that support ticket can view the public note. Let's go to add note, change from private to public, visible to all the contacts. We will now add the note that says this is a public note. Let's now click on add note. And there we have it. In the previous tutorial, we did add a private note. However, in this tutorial, we have added a public note on screen. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.